Hello friends, in this video I will show you a website which is powered by Google, and the name of the website is learndigitalwithgoogle.com. So on this website you can learn all the digital skills which are in demand in market. So here are some categories. Here we have some categories which you can just toggle, and based on your preferences you can get the courses which are free. I personally use this website for my online learning, and this website is powered by Google, so everything here is authentic and free. So let's click on this fundamental of digital marketing. So this course has 26 modules and 40 hours of learning. If you click on this or any other course, um, we have some series of videos which you can just watch online. Either you are at home, or either you are somewhere else, or you are traveling somewhere else. You can just go ahead and continue your learning. At the end of the course you will get a certificate. So as you see that this is free of charge, and the difficulty level is beginner. There are 26 modules. The total timing is 40 hours. All right, so just click on start and your course will start it. Okay, so the online opportunity is the first lecture. So here we have a 2 minutes video, and then we have a 2 minutes test. So if you complete this course you will get a certificate at the end, and there are 150 more courses which you can just go ahead and start.